Hello everyone. Welcome back my YouTube channel Art Presets. In this video, I will show you how to edit natural portrait premium filters using Lightroom Mobile. Here are our example photos before and after using this filter. These presets can be downloaded via the link in the description below. But DNG file is protected by a password. The password will appear in the upper right corner as a card eye button. Watch this tutorial in your YouTube app to get the password. Let's get started. Click on Light. Exposure 0.80. Contrast -57. Highlights -54. Shadows 31. White 17. Blacks 96. Then click on Curve and follow me carefully. Okay, done. Then click on Color. Temperature 8. Vibrance 67. Saturation 11. Then click on Mix and follow me carefully. Red hue 11. Saturation 19. Luminance -11. Orange. Hue 10. Saturation -5. Luminance 12. Yellow. Hue 26. Saturation -38. Luminance -24. Green. Hue -23. Saturation 13. Luminance 12. Aqua. Hue -15. Saturation 22. Luminance -21. Blue. Hue -27. Saturation 27. Luminance -23. Purple hue -51. Saturation 27. Luminance 23. Magenta hue 32. Saturation 28. Luminance 11. OK, done. Then click on Effects. Texture 32. Clarity 22. 𝗬𝗍𝗃 11. Grain 5. Then click on Detail. Sharpening 8. Noise reduction 14. Contrast 8. Color noise reduction 11. Our photo editing has finally been completed in Lightroom Mobile. I hope you liked this video. Please share my video with your friends and family and click the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel 𝗬𝗵𝗿𝗄𝗏. Also click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our new videos update.